Well, hello and welcome back to Bug and Weed Mart's Tip of the Month. Today, we're talking about rabbits. As a lot of you have bought homes in areas that didn't used to have homes, and as a result, we've encroached on the wildlife that has been calling that their home forever. So, once you've moved into the place and you've landscaped it and you've got your beautiful ornamentals out there, if you're getting visits from rabbits, it's pretty easy to tell because they like to eat the blossoms and a lot of times even the roots, the stems, just about everything. So what can you do to prevent those events from happening? You can use two different products that will deter the rabbit from even going there in the first place. And if the rabbit's already there and you start to use these, they're not going to like it. They're going to actually leave the area. The product I recommend most strongly is called Rabbit Scram, and it's super easy to use. Rabbit Scram is a granular item, and it's completely organic, USDA certified organic. It will not hurt the rabbit. It just is something the rabbit doesn't like the smell of. So, what you would do with Rabbit Scram is you would take off the lid and literally shake it in a pattern around those ornamentals. You water it into the soil, and you've got about 30 to 45 days that active ingredient is going to repel the rabbits. Won't hurt your dogs, won't hurt your plants, won't hurt anything. It just keeps these guys from wanting to go there. Some people also have had great results with Nature's Defense, which is similarly a granular, organic, USDA certified organic product that you use in a very similar fashion. But there's a lot of little tidbits that we can show you that'll really make things easier to understand. Come on in and see us. We'll talk about what your yard has in it, how big of an area you have, and which product, or maybe even a combination of both, is going to be best for you.